English legal dictation 480 word start in 3 seconds. In special civil application number 4715 of 2003, the petitioner union has challenged the action of the respondent authority is not making a reference under section 10 within bracket 1 of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947 and parade for setting aside the order at annexure A made on 30/12/2002 by which the Assistant Labour Commissioner Nadiad returned the application which was made under section 10 within bracket A in respect of the demand regarding reinstatement of service on the ground that the Forest Department was not industry. Full stop. According to the petitioner, the impugned order of the Assistant Labour Commissioner was not justified because the question as to whether a particular department was an industry or not was required to be decided by leading evidence. Full stop. In paragraph 6 of the petition, it was contended that the question whether the particular activity falls within the meaning of section 2 within bracket J of the Act has to be decided by leading appropriate evidence, and declining a reference to be made was therefore unwarranted and illegal. Full stop. It was contended that the test laid down in the Bangalore water supply case by the Honorable the Supreme Court would govern the field, and therefore whether a particular activity was an industry or not was to be decided on the touchstone of the triple test laid down by the Supreme Court, namely there should be a systematic activity, there should exist employer and employee relationship, and the activities should render services to the society at large. Full stop. According to the petitioner, Forest Department was selling saplings to the people and deriving revenue therefrom. Full stop. The budget and finance statement issued by the said department indicated that they derived income from the sale of honey and other forest produce which amounted to an activity of sale. Full stop. The appropriate government could not therefore have rejected the application for making a reference in the matter. Full stop. Stanza. In special civil application number 4435 of 2001, the petitioner has challenged the award dated 12th October 2000 made by the Labour Court Godara in respect of the demand for reinstatement in the project known as Dev Sinchai Yojana, by which in lieu of reinstatement the workman was awarded compensation of ₹500. According to the petitioner, initially he was appointed as a daily wager and thereafter as a clerk in the said scheme, and his services were abruptly terminated on 16/10/1984. Full stop. It was contended that the activity of construction of dam was undertaken on a permanent basis, and therefore there was no question of closure of work being accepted as a ground for denying the reinstatement and awarding compensation in lieu thereof to the petitioner. Full stop. In special civil application number 8259 of 1996, the petitioners have prayed for extending the benefits of the government resolution dated 17th October 1988 to the members of the petitioners union who were working as watchmen under the control of the respondent number 3 in the forest department